did you prepare for your SSB interview, and also tell me how did you prepare for your written examination?
So for the SSB interview, I gained knowledge about the whole process first of all, then all the aspects that are needed in SSB. For that, firstly, I started reading newspaper. Secondly, I was already I was doing physical, but according to when I read, I thought that more of my physical fitness is needed. So I started running 2 kilometers, as earlier I was running 1 kilometer. So third is that I started writing down the stories with time bound, and so I practiced VAT words from the book that I had brought. That's all. And for the written, sir, I have been that was the time it was lockdown, so I decided to prepare for the written by my own. So I took help from the YouTube channels, different websites. I learned about GAT questions about geography, history, and also practice more and more mathematics. As I was just passed out from class 12, so it was fresh, so I could perform good in mathematics.
So Ayushi, tell me, can you refer 3 examples? What is your goal setting in your life after joining Indian Army? Okay, so definitely you will be upgrading your professional skills. So what are the what is the ultimate goal setting in your life? So after joining Army, you will be lieutenant, you will be passing out from the NDA successfully, okay? Yes. You will be completing your graduation, okay, through NDA. What else?
So firstly, I want to gain specialization in my dancing skills. So secondly, I want to also enhance my cricket. Cricket means my involvement in cricket. I want to get more involved in sports activities.
Why you want to be more involved in cricket? Why?
So because I like
that. As a player, or you want to just?
No, as a player, sir. As a batsman.
Okay. What is your long-term goal setting in your life? What you have decided to do in your life, especially in your career?
So sir, my major long-term goal is to be an army officer in the Indian Army from the Grenadier Regiment. Why I have chosen this goal? It basically reflects that I like to be an adventurous person, being at a position through which I will work for the society, work for the nation, and also improve my own physical standards and mental toughness.
What do you mean by adventurous life? What is adventure for you?
So adventure is has a different meaning for me because traveling to different terrains, whether it be the Siachen Glacier or the mountains or the arid regions like Rajasthan, this is an adventure for me. And also interacting with different people and knowing how to tackle those situations. Sometimes you have to interact with, know the condition of the people living near the borders. So this is again an adventure for me. And also the sports activity, that hill climbing really takes me and motivates me.
क्या आप भी प्रेस्टिजियस नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप भी आसमान में नहीं बल्कि अपने कंधों पर सितारे देखना चाहते हैं, पर आपसे GAT और मैथ्स नहीं हो रही और ऊपर से आपको 5 दिन के SSB इंटरव्यू का डर भी सता रहा है? इस वीडियो के ये 30 सेकंड्स आपकी लाइफ चेंज कर देने वाले हैं। सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी, इंडियाज मोस्ट पॉपुलर चॉइस फॉर डिफेंस एग्जाम्स, प्रेजेंट्स द NDA फाउंडेशन कोर्स। NDA की असली सच्चाई, रिटन प्लस SSB इंटरव्यू के फॉर्मूला पर आधारित है। रक्षा क्षेत्र में ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3 जैसी टॉप रैंक देने वाला एकमात्र रक्षा संस्थान आपको ऑफिसर कैडर में अपना सुनहरा भविष्य बनाने का मौका दे रहा है। आज ही ज्वाइन करिए NDA रिटन प्लस SSB इंटरव्यू के फॉर्मूला पर आधारित एकमात्र NDA फाउंडेशन कोर्स लखनऊ एवं देहरादून में।